Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Donal Duck while we learn Spanish. We draw their adorable eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. We draw its beak. Beak in Spanish is PICO. We draw his sailor cap, that in Spanish is said, GORRA MARINERA. We draw the arm. Arm in Spanish is brazo. Come on guys, it's looking very good. We draw a nice bow tie, that in Spanish is said, PAJARITA. We draw its legs, that is said, patas. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say duck in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the blue color. That is said, AZUL. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Duck in Spanish is PATO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.